Regardless of what business you're in, the time has come to accept the fact that when given the choice between reading instructions on how to do something and watching a video that shows you how to do something, the video wins hands down every time. In order to compete, we have to learn how to create instructional videos. And just the thought of having to learn all that computer coding or lay out the cost involved in using a video production team has many a business person shaking their head in dismay. Well, thanks to this new inexpensive and extremely easy to use presentation software, anyone, and I mean anyone, can create a professional grade video presentation of their product or service in less than a half hour. And to prove it, I'm going to create a video presentation right now, right before your eyes. The first thing you do is click on the Create a New Video button by going here. As you can see, I have already created several videos. Now what will happen is you'll get the cut and paste article and video name. So you type in the name of your video here, which this one is the best video presentation software you're going to find anywhere, and then you paste in the article. Now I already have an article I've already written on this. Here it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply select all, copy, and then going back to the video presentation software, I'm going to just paste it right here. And there you go. Now the next step is you'll go scroll down to the bottom here to create slides for your video. So you click on that, and there you go. These are the options you have regarding the background slides and the colors. As you can see, a number of different options you have: gray, red and black, evergreen, carrot cake. I prefer to go with something simple, so I'm just going to stay with the gold. Okay? So the next thing you do is to go through the slides and see how it's going to read. Regardless of what business you're in, the time has come to accept the fact that when you're given... Now this seems a little bit stretched out, so I'm going to merge these two by clicking on the merge button here. Now if you'll notice, it is now included that second page. So I'm going to continue scrolling on down every time. In order to compete, we have to learn how to create instructional videos. Now you see that's a little bit extended as well, so I'm going to merge those two by clicking on this button, Merge Slides. And just the thought of having to learn all computer coding or layout the course involving a production team has many persons shaking their head in dismay. Okay, it's new, inexpensive, and extremely easy, so that can be merged. And this can be merged too. Your product or service in less than a half an hour. I'm going to merge that as well right now. And this can be merged. So you see how simple this is? It really is very simple. This can be merged too. Once you merge the script the way you like it, this software also gives you access to royalty-free photos that you can use to better demonstrate your product or service. Here's an example. You type in business, for example, hit go, and you'll get all these royalty-free photos that you can place onto your demonstration. For example, click here, and there it is. Now, if you just want to get rid of the text, you click here, and there you go. Simple enough. Then you can change the layout. Say, for example, you want the text on the left or on the right. See, all these options are available to you. Now, once the script is set up the way you want it and the photos included, you can also add royalty-free background music by clicking on Audio. Now, you see here you have all these different, for example, we can go to Eye of the Beholder. Play and see what that sounds like. Or Fond Memories. Which will put a nice background to your presentation. Now, let me show you how to record your video. You simply click on this button here, Record, and say the sentence in front of you. For example, I'm going to click Record. 3, 2, 1. The best video presentation software you're going to find anywhere. Stop. Now we play it back. The best video presentation software you're going to find anywhere. I like that. But if I didn't like it, I could hit this button and re-record it. The best video presentation software you're going to find anywhere. The best video presentation software you're going to find anywhere. I like that. So we go on to the next one. And then when you hit the record button, you read the next sentence. If you like it, you keep it. If you don't, discard it and record it again. It's really very, very simple to do, and just one after the other. As you scroll down, as you see, the entire script is here. And it's very simple. For example, here's an example. How hard is that to read? Okay? Once done, click on Manually Adjust Timing so you can see exactly how good it is. Play. And there we go. Now, for some reason, it doesn't link up to your audio or the voices. You can move the pictures anywhere you want. Now, this rarely happens, but if it does, this is very convenient to have because it will keep you from having to re-record the entire thing all over again. Now, once it's finished and you say, it looks good, you hit this looks good, continue button right there. And you go through acknowledgement. Then you hit the generate your video button. This will take a while, so go make yourself a cup of coffee or something, and once it's done, you can see the entire thing. Okay, now we've had our coffee, and we've waited for the video to download and encode and all the jazz it has to do. So your next step is simply click on Download Your Video, and we do it this way. And as you can see, the video is downloaded here on the left, and it's setting itself up. Show all downloads. Bingo. And there's the video download. So what I do is I simply click on the half thing here, and I take the video and I drag it over to my desktop. See, and I just change the name so I know which one I'm looking at. And I change it to Content Samurai Video. And that's it. And that, my friend, is the entire story. That's how it's done. So all you need to do now is to go back, go to your right, fill in your email address, and pay the $47 and you're done, because that's what it cost. The price goes to $97 if you pass it up. Now that you're convinced this is something you just have to have, let us know where to send it on the right, and you'll get instant access. Talk to you soon.